Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will find out the meaning of Anglo-Saxon place names. The Anglo-Saxons named places throughout England to describe the people who lived there, the features of the landscape, and the function of the settlements. Many of these place names are still used today. We can recognise how the Anglo-Saxons described a place by understanding the ending of a word. A place ending ing or folk means the people of. For example, Hastings. Hastings in the south of England means Haster's people, named after a tribe who once lived there. A place ending in ham means village or homestead. For example, Birmingham. Birmingham was once a smaller village rather than the large city we know today. A place ending in ton or tun means farm. For example, Skipton. A place with this word ending can tell us what the land was used for hundreds of years ago. A place ending in bury or bury means fortified place. For example, Salisbury. A fortified place is an area which is protected by ditches, walls, or other barriers, keeping out the enemy and protecting the people inside. The word ford describes a place where you can cross a river or other body of water. For example, Oxford. The word ox at the beginning of the word indicates that this was a place where oxen would often cross the river. A word ending in lee describes a clearing or meadow. For example, Burnley. A place ending in wick or wich means it was once a trading post, a place where people would go to trade their goods. We can learn a lot about the history of England from the Anglo-Saxon place names they left behind. We can find out about the geographical landscape and how it looked whilst they were here. We can discover the people who lived here, how they used the land, and the types of settlements they lived in. Do you live near any places with Anglo-Saxon names? For your hands-on activity, use a map to help you identify places with Anglo-Saxon names. Think about why the Anglo-Saxon called them these names and what we can learn from it. For more information about this activity and related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com Anglo-Saxons. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye.